Strawberry milkshake. There are a few factors that contribute to the deliciousness of a classic strawberry milkshake. 1. Creaminess. Milkshakes are typically made with ice cream, which gives them a rich, creamy texture. 1. The combination of cold, creamy ice cream and milk creates a smooth consistency that is both satisfying and indulgent. 2. Fresh strawberries. Using fresh strawberries in a milkshake gives it a bright, fruity flavor that is both sweet and tart. 2. Strawberries are also naturally high in antioxidants and vitamin C, making them a healthy addition to a dessert. 3. Sweetness. Most milkshakes contain some form of sweetener, such as sugar or honey, to balance out the tartness of the strawberries and add a touch of sweetness to the drink. 3. This sweetness can be adjusted to taste, depending on how ripe the strawberries are. 4. Customization. A classic strawberry milkshake recipe can be easily customized to suit individual tastes. 4. For example, some people may prefer a thicker shake, while others may prefer a thinner consistency. 4. Adding whipped cream or sprinkles can also add an extra layer of flavor and texture to the drink. Overall, the combination of creamy ice cream, fresh strawberries, and customizable sweetness makes a classic strawberry milkshake a delicious and satisfying treat. 3 easy steps to making a classic strawberry milkshake at home. Here are 3 easy steps to making a classic strawberry milkshake at home. 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need vanilla ice cream, fresh strawberries, milk, and sugar, optional. 1. You'll also need a blender and a glass to serve your milkshake in. 2. Blend the ingredients. Add 2 to 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of fresh strawberries, hulled and halved, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, optional, to a blender. 3. Serve and enjoy. Pour your milkshake into a glass and serve immediately. 3. You can garnish your milkshake with whipped cream, chopped strawberries, or sprinkles if desired. 3. Enjoy your delicious homemade strawberry milkshake. Tip: for a thicker shake, use less milk or more ice cream. For a thinner shake, use more milk or less ice cream. Also, make sure to use fresh, ripe strawberries for the best flavor. Strawberry milkshake recipe. Here's a unique strawberry milkshake recipe. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups vanilla ice cream. 2. 1 cup fresh strawberries, hulled and halved. 3. 1/2 cup whole milk. 4. 1 tablespoon honey. 5. 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom. Instructions. 1. Add the vanilla ice cream, fresh strawberries, whole milk, honey, and ground cardamom to a blender. 2. Blend on high until smooth and creamy, making sure all the ingredients are well combined. 3. The addition of cardamom gives this strawberry milkshake a unique, slightly spicy flavor that complements the sweetness of the strawberries and the creaminess of the ice cream. 3. The honey adds a touch of natural sweetness, while the fresh strawberries provide a burst of fruity flavor. 3. Enjoy this delicious and refreshing milkshake as a dessert or snack any time of day. 5 ingredient ideas to elevate your classic strawberry milkshakes. Here are 5 ingredient ideas to elevate your classic strawberry milkshakes. 1. Bailey's Irish Cream. Add a shot of Bailey's Irish Cream to your milkshake for a deliciously spiked strawberry shake. 1. The creamy, sweet flavor of the Bailey's complements the tartness of the strawberries perfectly. 2. Whipped cream vodka. For a fun twist on a classic milkshake, add a shot of whipped cream vodka. 2. The vodka adds a subtle vanilla flavor and gives your milkshake a bit of a kick. 3. Greek yogurt. For a healthier option, add a spoonful of Greek yogurt to your milkshake. 3. This will give it a creamy, smooth texture and a boost of protein. 3. You can also add a touch of honey for sweetness. 4. Vanilla extract. To add a bit of extra flavor to your milkshake, add a splash of vanilla extract. 4. This will enhance the vanilla flavor of the ice cream and give your milkshake a richer, more complex taste. 5. Chocolate chips. For a decadent treat, add a handful of chocolate chips to your milkshake. 5. The combination of sweet strawberries and rich chocolate is irresistible. 5. You can also blend in some chocolate syrup for a more chocolatey flavor. With these ingredient ideas, you can easily elevate your classic strawberry milkshakes and create a delicious, customized treat that is sure to please. Strawberry milkshake benefits. While a strawberry milkshake is a delicious treat, it's important to note that it is also high in sugar and calories. However, there are some potential benefits to including strawberries in your diet, even if they are consumed in a milkshake form. Here are some potential benefits of strawberries. 1. High in vitamin C. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, which is important for maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting wound healing, and supporting the health of your skin and connective tissues. 2. Antioxidant rich. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. 3. May reduce inflammation. Some studies have shown that strawberries may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. 4. Good source of fiber. Strawberries are a good source of fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Overall, while a strawberry milkshake is a treat that should be consumed in moderation, incorporating fresh strawberries into your diet can offer potential health benefits.